Siap melaksanakan tugas. Berjalan. Upacara sudah tiba. Apakah Polda Abdul Sami, Wilkam SSB, Kapolda diam mulai. Ajukan. Aceh yang dikenal sebagai Serambi Mekah. Masa pengabdian yang telah saya jalani selama hampir 2 tahun, tepatnya 1 tahun 11 bulan, tentunya bukan tanpa tantangan, namun penuh dengan pembelajaran, kebersamaan dan kebanggaan. Saya menyaksikan dedikasi dan loyalitas dan semangat pengabdian yang luar biasa dari seluruh personil Polda Aceh.
Saya menyampaikan penghormatan dan terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya kepada Bapak Irjen Pol Dr. Ahmad Kartiko Istika MH beserta Ibu atas seluruh dedikasi dan capaian telah ditorehnya selama menjabat Kapolda Aceh. Di bawah kepemimpinan beliau, Polda Aceh telah menunjukkan kinerja yang luar biasa dalam menjaga stabilitas keamanan, meningkatkan kualitas pelayanan publik, mendukung berbagai program pemerintah, serta melahirkan sejumlah inovasi yang strategis yang berdampak positif dan membawa nama baik Indonesia.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I go roast, I get gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the thing exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe God, it was built to last. Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be.
Siap, siap. Semua? Bagian. Bagian dulu.
Saya sudah.
Siap, siap. Siap.
Lantai berapa?
Siap lantai 5.
Sama.
Siap.
Saya lantai 5.
Mahkota lantai 5.
Siap.
Siap.
Tahu.
Siap, tahu.